This Thanksgrilling series, it's going to be huge.
You can't miss out on this.
Not this one.
Shoot, yeah, those Kingsford Pellets provide the best flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started. Happy holidays, everybody. I'm Chef John, and today I'm going to be making one of my holiday classics, a staple at any of my holiday meals, smoked southern cornbread. It is delicious. I'm going to be cooking on the RT 590. I have it set at 400 degrees. I put a cast iron skillet to let that start to warm up with the grill. And I'm cooking with those Kingsford hickory pellets for that robust, traditional flavor that you come to find and expect with a brand like Kingsford. First things first, we're going to go ahead and get this bacon rendered down. So we just got some ordinary, nice bacon, right? We're just going to slice it up. Now, really, all we're going to be using is the bacon grease from this bacon. So how you slice it isn't so important. We're just doing a rough chop. All right, we're going to add this back to our bowl. And then we're going to take this thing out to the RT 590 and throw it on that skillet. Have that grill warming up to 400 degrees. Come on, let's go. All right, so I'm just now pulling that bacon off of the RT 590. As you can see, I just rendered down that bacon and got all that lovely bacon grease out of there. Now we're just going to separate the grease from the bits. So I have a little strainer and a measuring cup, and we are going to pour our grease in. All right. Getting all that delicious bacon out of there. Okay, so now we're going to put together the rest of our ingredients. What I have here is some cornmeal. It's going to go into our bowl. Some flour. Now you're going to use your trusty whisk just to mix these together. Beautiful. All right, we're going to make a little well. And now we're going to start to add our eggs. I've got 4 eggs that we're going to be using. We're just going to crack those straight in. Now, this is the exact cornbread recipe that you would use for cornbread dressing. You go ahead and make this ahead of time, and this would be the cornbread that you're going to use. All right, so we're just going to beat these yolks up, start to incorporate this. Adding in our buttermilk. And we're just going to mix this well. All right, we're going to add the last little bit of buttermilk. Beautiful. And our bacon grease. Perfect. Now we're just going to incorporate all this together. Till it forms a nice, smooth mixture. Look at how smooth that is. All right. Now, last but not least, our cast iron skillet, we're going to take it back. We're going to get a little paper towel, and we're just going to, the residual grease that's still in there, we're just going to use that to grease the rest of our pan with. Perfect. Now we're ready to go ahead and fill the cast iron. Cause I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the man who died, so I could make cornbread for free. All right. Make sure you get all of it out. Right now we're just going to smooth it out. couple of quick taps, and you are ready to go right back out on the RT590. I still have it set at 400 degrees. We're going to let this cook for about 20-25 minutes till it's GBD, golden brown delicious, right on top. So come on, let's go on out to the grill. All right, holiday family, we went ahead and pulled that cornbread off, and as you can see, it looks delicious. GBD. Man, I'm so excited to get into some of this cornbread. So we're just going to finish it off, right? So what I've got here is just a little bit of melted butter. So we're just going to take the butter and we're just going to brush it right over the top. Don't forget to subscribe to recteq at Kingsford's YouTube channel for awesome content like this and so much more. And then last, but certainly not least, we're going to hit it with a little bit of that warm apple pie, that Ray's warm apple pie. Just a light dusting right over the top. And this smoked southern cornbread is done. It is gonna be delicious. We cooked it on the RT590, 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. We're burning the Kingsford hickory pellets for that traditional, robust flavor that you come to know and love with that Kingsford brand. I can't wait to get into this. Guys, I can't wait for you to make this, and we'll see you at the recteq.